Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Today we're going to be replacing the factory halogen license plate bulbs with an LED set from Diode on our 2020 Silverado. Now these bulbs will work on the 2019 to 2020 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra. They are a simple, inexpensive upgrade to make sure that you are noticed while driving at night, and their plug-and-play feature makes this an easy 2-minute install. We are going to have to reach under the rear bumper to access the factory bulb. If you have the factory hitch in place, it is going to be a bit tight to get your hands in place. To release it, we will have to twist the connector counterclockwise and pull back. With the connector removed, simply pull the halogen bulb out of its socket and replace it with the Diode LED bulb. If your lights were on, be cautious because the bulb could be hot. Repeat the process on the other side to finish the installation. There you have it guys, a simple inexpensive upgrade can make a dramatic difference when compared to the factory halogen bulbs. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.